hotel we are staying in Valencia. It's a very nice hotel, but also very expensive. This is the naked in garden drink. This is the tartar.
And this salad, shrimp salad.
This is a very famous dish in Valencia. It's called paella. Valencia lamb. This is a bridge in front of our hotel. It's really nice flower bridge. This is another bridge near our hotel. It's quite interesting.
Y 1, 2, 3, 4 piecitos, 5, 6, 7, 8. Recuerda cerrarme, ¿eh?
This is Valencia beer. This is the market in Valencia. This is is the Valencia beach. Heading out to run 5K.
So many of you already know the city.
I'm not a 5K for Houston. Huh? What am I gonna
Hey guys, turn around. Okay, keep going.
Good for you guys. Olivier, Alessia, bravo. And more people coming. I see, see. Last meters for you. Malena, Steve, good job. I hope you had fun. And Lily, crossing the finish line, strong. A big applause also for Lily. She made it.
There, you will see a person in formal doll fellow dress. And in the middle there, you see a really famous professor, really famous separation scientist, but wearing a pair of very special, very fancy, expensive, leather shoes for this 4K work. I guess he's not here, so probably suffering from his action. And here, the blue line is official, what we say 5K running route, right? But I do know there's a person, he took a shortcut. There's a red line over there, and it said a record, quote, 5K running time. I guess that will be very difficult for future ICPC 5K runner to break that record. We are going to take the 7 o'clock train to Madrid. This is the Madrid train station. This is a really famous museum, del Prado, in Madrid. We are in Madrid, and our host taking us to this restaurant, and here has very nice lamb meat here.
The lamb meat is incredible. If you like the lamb meat, it's the perfect place because yes, and the lamb is from Spain, so the lamb is used to be eaten later, not at one. But this is very famous from the north of Spain, especially in Galicia. And yeah,
Carlos, do you want to be in the video?
no problem.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so you see, this is for you. Do you like this one?
Okay, cool,
Okay,
cool.
so-
Okay,
Okay. The best lamb.
okay.
Okay, from Spain.
From Madrid.
From Madrid. Yes, yes.
How about Rafael? You want to be in the video or not?
Okay, yeah.
You want to be in the video?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure. Why not?
cool.
Say hello.